Did you guys know that it's possible to set up Lambda that is serverless AWS with just about any technology stack? Like most people, I was under the impression for a long time that Lambda is when you want to create a script in either a Python or when you want to create a script in JavaScript. I generally thought of it as a set of well-defined technology stacks. But for example, I didn't know what to do, and I guess I just didn't look into this. I didn't know what to do when I wanted to use a Python package that had native components. For example, I wanted to generate thumbnails. For thumbnail generation, there is a great Python package, like for many things that have to do with images, called PDF to image. Now, PDF to image does have, it's basically a wrapper around, it's basically a wrapper upon the popular utilities that installs on Unix. So in order for you to be able to use it, you have to install some native components. And I basically built a caching service for my supplement tracker app, and that caching service needed some really nice thumbnail caching mechanism. And I was able to use Lambdas, which I'm really pleased with how it worked out, with using this Python package, which had a native component to it, PDF to image. The way you can pull this off is that you use the Docker file. You use a Docker file, and I installed popular utils, so that makes it available, and then you just install the package that you want to install. Like, you create the requirements.txt, and then you put in the packages you want. Bodo 3, I want Bodo 3 because I want to access S3, and also some other packages I want to do network requests, so I have a request there. And PDF to image. And once you build this Docker file, you can download it. You create a repository in Elastic Container Registry. Basically, it's this thing. So you push your repository here, and then from Lambda, when you install, you just reference that container image, and it's going to be able to use the native utilities. It's going to be able to use the Python package. And this actually opens up the possibility to do a lot of really cool things in Lambda. I think I vaguely remember Amazon put this in place a while ago. This is not a new feature. It's been around for a while. It just I have never used it before, but it looks great, and I was able to. So basically, I created that Docker file, and I just want to show. I created a Python file that uses PDF to image. It basically goes out on the internet using requests. It finds the image I want to cache, and then it creates a small JPEG thumbnail, and it caches it in S3 using the native components. So I thought I share this with you guys because I think it's extremely useful, and it just makes Lambda a whole lot more useful than I think many people realize it is. Thank you for listening.